YouTube. Sorry, I just seen the seconds going up for the filming. So I'm making a new project for a special boy in my life. He's 10 stroke 11, maybe 11. So yesterday I felt bad because I made a pendant. I made a couple of things for my niece, coming of age type of gift, and well, I was in a rush to visit her, so I didn't have anything special made, and so today I'm focusing just on my special boy. And if you can see there, I'm using agate squares. This used to be an old belt buckle thing, so I've got several of these, and I've used one and I've got a few left. So I'm using that squares, agate squares, and I'm using this gorgeous diamante rhinestones from bb.com in the USA, and I'm using my brilliant glue from Amazon, $4.99, F6000 jewelry glue. Somehow I can never see that. I just cut the rhinestones with these scissors here, and I'm working on the letter M. I'm going to be using my DIY pokey tool, which is just a bit dirty now, but blue tack with stuck onto a crochet hook, pickup tool. I've got the heating on because it's cold here now in England. And then I've got a really good project later on that I'm going to show you. So I might not be able to do this on camera, but I'm going to give it my best shot, as they say. I'm just drinking tea. I'm nice and comfortable. And now I'm going to work on the project. This glue has an odour, like I've said before. And it comes out blue. And then when it becomes tacky, it goes clear. And that's when you apply your embellishments onto your project. So I just need a M for the child's initial. I'm going to do a bit at a time. I like to wipe the nozzle so it doesn't stick. Works for me. Just take the tissue fibres off as well. Hi to my new subscribers, thanks for joining my channel. I hope you learned something interesting and stick around, because I've got a really good project to share with you soon. So now this is gonna be hard. You know these fiddly things down there, they keep twisting and turning, they never sit straight. So that's why I have to use my pokey tool. And the blue glue does have an odour, so work with a window open, please. I'm going to put them on first and then reposition them. Log this one. See what I mean? It just twists and turns too fast. It does whatever it wants. It's like a stubborn child. Oh good. Funny analogy there. So pick it up and drop it on. Then you have to use your fingernail or something to separate it from the pickup tool. Oh, that one's perfectly done. This one's got a tiny wiggle thing in hope my hair's not going in the way. I'm going to make another one for his brother because he likes shiny things too and he's only 6. And I'm going to have to leave this to stick for a while because about 6 hours because agate is not, doesn't absorb glue, it just sort of sits on top. The glue does dry clear, just one good thing. And then I'm gonna just do the V thing in pieces. So basically all of this will be in pieces, and then after I'm gonna put when it's dry, the thin elastic cording for the neck, so it can be worn around the neck is what I'm trying to say. So just guesstimate what you need, cut a bit off, and then you can cut it smaller and divide it. See how lovely that rhinestones. So I'm just gonna guesstimate. I haven't measured anything. Cuts off really easily. Picked this up, it was on sale when I got it, so you have to wait 3 weeks for delivery. So then I'm gonna cut this in half and then try to position it in there. If it's too big, or do you think I could go like that? No, that's too big. I'm working on an M, so maybe 3 or 4 of these on each side. I'm going for 4. No, hold on. Let's sort of measure it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe. No, 3, 4. Because I've got a thing there, so 4, I think. If it's wrong, I'll cut more. Maybe 5 on 1 and 3. Oh, I don't know. Just play it with it and see, because otherwise I'll never get the video finished and I don't know. So anyway, so let me add the glue. I'm going to do one bit at a time, I think, on this. Please, if you've got Netflix, can you learn about dairy products that you're consuming, because they seem to be putting things in our dairy products that are unnatural. I just watched the YouTube the other day. I mean, not YouTube, sorry, Netflix, and I learned some horrific things that people, the government mainly, putting inside our dairy foods. Well, that's perfect measurement there. And then a bit to go up there, so you can press it down with your finger, but don't move the alignment. I love that word. Oh, it's so pretty. Wish it would dry faster, then I could gift it sooner, but 6 hours maximum for this type of project, I think. 6 hours. Just put it into place and then cut it off. 1, 2, 3, 4 again, unless I have it standing there and I don't want it to be different. I want it to be symmetrical from the other side, so 4 again. So these long nails are a bit of a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can still smell the glue as it dries. Oh, these are hard. my nail got in the way, and please don't damage the save the leftovers for something else. You'll never throw rhinestones away, not in my house. Okay, so put the glue on. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah. I like having this glue to work with because of the fine nozzle tip. It's like the best, you know, for fine detail work. I'll definitely buy more of this when it runs out. But I must wipe away the nozzle because it will become stuck next time and you won't be able to open it or use it. So I'm just putting that on. This is a really handy tip, please make one. So you don't get glue on yourself. Wow, did you see that? It fell into place for me. That is a magnificent. So this time I had a very runny glue there, did you see? It was more white than blue, or clear, sorry. So I'm just going to pick it up and show you. It's beautiful. I hope he likes it, and I'm going to make one for his brother as well. The one I gave him I wasn't happy with, so this is more perfect. Don't move it too much. I suppose I could have a bit there and a bit there, but I don't know because I want to work on the other M. So I'm going to leave that to dry on one side and then start working on the other one. Best not to move it. So I'm not going to do this one live on camera. I'm going to do this one off camera. So I just wanted to share that with you. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. Subscribe to my channel, it's free as I keep banging on about. And enjoy yourself making really good inexpensive jewellery. Okay, take care, see you, bye.